Hello, Eric Hoover speaking. If you do not turn your defeated enemy into a friend, you have not won the war. Equality without freedom creates a more stable social order than freedom without equality. Political propaganda does not deceive people, but helps them deceive themselves. Man is the only being who strives to surpass himself, and aspires to achieve the impossible. Fair play is basically not blaming others for our shortcomings. People are bored, because they are bored of themselves. People who bite the hand that feeds them, usually lick the shoes that kick them. The only way to predict the future, is to have the power to create it. We lie the loudest, when we lie to ourselves.